Good morning, students. Hope all of you are fine and you have completed your work of chapter 2 economics. Today we will start with the second book of social science. Name of the book is Contemporary India part 1 and the name of the first chapter is India, size and its location. So by this topic we will come to know about the geography of our country. So this topic is very interesting. So the first topic is location. So just to know about the location, we will move to this map. Just see carefully here. See, these are the latitudes. Can you see these parallel lines? These are the latitudes. India lies 37 degree 6 minute north to 8 degree 4 minute north latitudes. So why are we saying it north? Because India lies in the northern hemisphere. That is why these both latitudes are north, northern latitudes. So this is the latitudinal extent of India. Now other thing, what is the longitudinal? Longitudinal means the long lines, right? Those are drawn in the at the globe also. So the longitudinal extent of India is 68 degree 7 minute east to 97 degree 25 minute east, right? So this is the latitudinal extent and this is the longitudinal extent. And if you will see this, if you will see the difference here, so the difference between the longitudinal extent is 2933 kilometer. It means our east-west extent of the country is 2933 kilometer. In the same way, north-south extent is 3214 kilometer. Right? Now, if you will see the difference, if you will find the difference between these longitudinal extent and latitudinal extent, their difference is approximately 30 degree. See, this is 37 degree, this minus 8, it is approx 30 degree, and here 97 minus 68, it is also 30 degree. Now the question comes in our mind, then why this distance is differ? Like it is 3214 and it is 2933, right? So latitudinal and longitudinal extent is about 30 degree, but east-west extent appears to be smaller. So what is the reason? Because these latitudes are equidistant from each other. These latitudes, these are parallel to equators. So these are equidistant, right? But distance between longitudes decreases as one moves from equator to poles. That is why there is a difference between these two extents, right? Now, other thing, if you will see at this map, now India's southern part is just tapering towards, means it is coming narrower like this, and it divides the Indian Ocean in two parts. You can see the eastern part, Eastern Ocean is known as the Bay of Bengal and the western is known as the Arabian Sea. This in southeast part there is Andaman and Nicobar Islands, and in southwest in Arabian Sea there is the Lakshadweep Island. So many things we came to know by this map. Now I think so many things you are already knowing now. What is the location of your country? So India lie in the northern hemisphere. As you know, equator divides the earth into equal halves. two semicircle, two semispheres, and India lies in the upper part. That is why India lying in the northern hemisphere, and the mainland extend between 8 degree 4 minute and 37 degree 6 minute north latitude, and it lies between longitudes of 68 degree 7 minute east and 97 degree 25 minute east. Right? Next is Tropic of Cancer, that is 23.5 degree north, divides the country into two equal parts. See this line. This is the Tropic of Cancer. This one is the Tropic of Cancer, and it is a 23.5 degree distant from the equator, and it divides the country into equal parts. And in southeast, Andaman and Nicobar Island lie, and in southwest, Lakshadweep Island lie in Arabian Sea. So this was about the location of your country. Now the next one is size of your country. So area of landmass, area of Indian landmass is 3.28 million square kilometer, and it is 2.4% of area of the world. India is the 7th largest country, and as you know, it is the second most populous country of the world. Land boundary of India is about 15,200 kilometer, and length of the coastline of mainland including islands is 7,516.6 kilometer. So what is the meaning of coastline? All these coastline, from this Gujarat it is starting like this, and it is also covering the Andaman Nicobar Island and the Lakshadweep Island. So this total coastline is about 7,516.6 kilometer. I hope now all of you are well aware about the location and size of your country, and also that why the latitudinal and longitudinal extent differ. Right? Now one more thing is there. If you will see this longitudinal extent, which state is this? Gujarat, and the easternmost state is Arunachal Pradesh. Do you know the difference between these two states? There is a difference of 2 hours between the time of these two states. So what is the reason behind this? And you know, everywhere we are following the same time. So this is very interesting topic, that there is a difference of 2 hours. It means in Arunachal Pradesh the sun rises 2 hours earlier than. The reason is our east-west extent is of 30 degree, and to every 1 degree there is a difference of 4 minutes. So 30 degree multiplied by 4 is equal to 120 minutes, and 120 minutes means 2 hours. That is why there is the difference between these two states of 2 hours. Now the question is why we are following the same time all over the country? Because we have set down the time, the Indian Standard Time, and it is set according to the standard meridian. And this standard meridian is 82 degree and 30 minutes, and it is passing through the UP, Mirzapur. This is adopted as a standard meridian, so that in all over the country, in the transportation also, the same time should be followed. So I hope all of you have understand this topic, right? Thank you and have a nice day.